strangers starting out on a journey. Never dreaming what we'd have to go through. Now here we are, and I'm suddenly standing at the beginning with you.
No one told me I was going to find you. Unexpected, what you did to my heart. When I lost hope, you were there to remind me this is the start. And life is a road and I wanna keep going. Love is a river I wanna keep flowing. Life is a road now and forever, wonderful journey. I'll be there when the world stops turning. I'll be there when the storm is through. In the end I wanna be standing at the beginning with you.
We were strangers on a crazy adventure.
Never dreaming how our dreams would come true. Now here we stand, unafraid of the future, at the beginning with you. And life is a road and I wanna keep going. Love is a river I wanna keep flowing. Life is I have often dreamed of a far-off place where a hero's welcome would be waiting for me, where the crowds will cheer when they see my face, and a voice keeps saying, this is where I'm meant to be. I'll be there someday. I can go the distance. I will find my way. If I can be strong, I'll know every mile will be worth my while. When I go the distance, I'll be right where I belong. I'm an unknown road to embrace my fate. Oh, that road may wander, will lead me to you. And the 1,000 years, oh,
konsultasyon hanggang operasyon para sa bata at matatanda. Nakabukas ang pintuan ng eye center ng lalawigan. Anuman ang ating gawain, mga matay ating kayamanan. Isang programang may puso at damdamin, mangangalaga sa ating paningin. Magtungo na dito, magpakonsulta tayo. Libre ang payo, ngunit eksperto, komprehensibo at makakatulong pa. Kung mayroong problema sa iyong paningin, ay may solusyon na